Hi friends, today I'm showing you this Misscase iPhone 12 mini case. You can see this comes with the screen protector, the dry and wet wipes to put it, and the good thing is that it have a lifetime warranty. That if something goes bad, the company will replace it for free. And you can see like there is a screen protector that comes with it. It is a hard shell 9-inch screen protector. So it's a complete set with the case, screen protector, wipes and everything. And you can see this is for iPhone 12 5.4 inch. I don't have that right now, so I cannot show you on the phone, but I can of course show you the quality and how to set it up. So you have to keep in mind that there's a two part in this case. So one part is the hard corner shell and the other is the silicone part. So right now what I'm doing is taking out the hard inner shell that goes on the phone first, and you have to keep in mind that you have to put these buttons on the top of the iPhone 12 mini. So once this whole case and the buttons fits well on the iPhone 12, then you have to put this into this flexible silicone shell. So then it will fit and the buttons will work, and this silicone shell becomes more hard shell because of this hard shell corner, and you can see that it is more protective layering along with this, and with the screen protection and the screen protector it will be there. And these are the qualities of it. Everything works well, a good set for iPhone 12 mini.